For thousands of years, humanity has looked into the night sky and asked the same question. What are we? Not where we came from, not what we believe, not what we have built, but what we are. We have called ourselves rational beings, children of God, species, consciousness, matter, energy. Yet none of these definitions seems to capture the full mystery of our existence. We have crossed oceans, mapped the genome, split the atom, and stepped onto another world. We have transformed the planet and begun creating intelligence outside ourselves. Yet the greatest mystery remains unsolved, the one asking the question, who or what is a human being? If you could strip away your name, your memories, your nationality, your religion, your profession, and every story you tell yourself, what would remain? A body? A brain? A collection of atoms? Or something deeper? The atoms that compose your body were not born with you. They existed billions of years before Earth itself. The iron flowing through your blood was forged inside exploding stars. The calcium in your bones once belonged to ancient suns. Long before there were oceans, forests, civilizations, or language, there was only the universe unfolding according to the laws of physics. Stars were born, stars died, elements emerged, planets formed, chemistry became biology, biology became life, life became awareness, and somehow awareness began asking questions about the universe that produced it. Perhaps that is the strangest fact we know. The universe has become capable of observing itself. But evolution did not design us to understand reality. It designed us to survive. Our senses reveal only a tiny fraction of what exists. Our brains compress unimaginable complexity into a manageable experience. We do not see reality directly. We see a model of reality built for survival, fear, desire, attachment, identity. These are not accidents. They are ancient biological strategies that helped our ancestors stay alive. The ego itself may have been one of evolution's greatest inventions, a story the brain tells itself to preserve the organism. Yet that same story may also prevent us from seeing ourselves clearly. For centuries, humans compared themselves to other species. Today, we compare ourselves to machines. Artificial intelligence now writes, reasons, creates art, solves problems, and converses with astonishing fluency. For the first time in history, humanity is confronting a profound question. If intelligence can be created, what makes us unique? Is consciousness simply computation? Or is there something that no algorithm can reproduce? Science has revealed extraordinary details about the brain. We can observe neurons firing. We can map networks of activity. We can identify regions associated with memory, emotion, language, and perception. Yet one mystery remains untouched. Why should electrical activity produce experience at all? Why does information feel like something from the inside? Why is there an I? This question has become known as the hard problem of consciousness. And despite centuries of philosophy and decades of neuroscience, no consensus exists. Perhaps consciousness emerges from complexity. Perhaps it is a property of certain physical systems. Perhaps it is more fundamental than we imagine. Or perhaps we have not yet discovered the language capable of describing it. The honest answer is simple. We do not know. And there is wisdom in admitting what we do not know. The search for certainty has often divided humanity. The search for understanding has moved it forward. Maybe humans are biological machines shaped by evolution. Maybe we are self-organizing patterns of information. Maybe consciousness is an emergent phenomenon. Maybe it is woven into the fabric of reality itself. Whatever the answer may be, one truth remains undeniable. For a brief moment in cosmic history, the universe has arranged itself into beings capable of wonder, beings capable of asking questions that may never be fully answered. Perhaps that is what makes us human. Not intelligence, not language, not technology, but curiosity. The relentless desire to understand our place in existence. The journey has only begun. And perhaps the greatest frontier is not waiting among the stars. Perhaps it has always existed within us. The question remains, what are humans, really?